how to find my Facebook Messenger link. So if you want to find your Facebook Messenger link, then what you need to do is open up your Facebook Messenger application at first. Once you've opened your Facebook Messenger, you need to go for the upper left, which has that three dot icon, and then you can go for settings. Tap on the settings, and under your settings now, if you scroll down, here you will have username option. Tap on username, and under your username you will have copy link option. So you need to tap on copy link, and then your link has been copied. So what you need to do is simply remove that messenger, and now you can simply open up your Facebook. Once you've opened your Facebook, you can go for the what's in your mind option, and then here you can paste your link. So that's it. That's how you can find your Facebook Messenger link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.